Been very lucky to be involved with cricket here, and for the work that has I have carried forward, and being involved with the development of cricket here. The ICC has recognized my efforts, and I would like to thank all the councils and my cricketing colleagues for me getting this award. And it's a great feeling to have won the ICC Global Cricket Award, Service Award for 2010. And I'm thankful to the ICC for recognizing my efforts. And hopefully I will continue to do the same what I have been doing. And it's been a wonderful feeling to get this. And I would like to thank all my cricket councils, my Emirates Cricket Board for the support they have given me. And special thanks goes out to the executive board of my council and the board for all the efforts what they have supported me. And that's I think it's a great feeling again, I would say, to get this award. It's a global award, that is the icing on the cake. It's not only a regional award, but since it has been only one award in 2010, it's a wonderful feeling to have it. Thank you. We have the Emirates Cricket Board is now that we have done well, we have qualified as the top 8 associate member countries. We have been now put onto the high performance program, as we are part of that 8 teams, where teams like Ireland, Scotland, Kenya, Canada, Namibia, then you have Kenya. So these teams, I think, will be playing 4-day games plus 2 ODI matches during the I Cup, and it'll be good for our boys, I think, to enhance their skills and play those competitive matches. We have Afghanistan. We are playing Kenya next in the next couple of weeks. We are traveling to Kenya. Then we play Afghanistan in Sharjah. Then we play Scotland in March. We play Netherlands in next June. And so there's a lot of cricket for us. I think the boys are lucky to have such a competitive event being part of their development. We hope to improve our standings there. Right now we are 7th in the associate member country positioning, and our aim is to improve that positioning to maybe number 4 and 5. And next year we are planning to host the ICC World T20 qualifier for 2012 here. And that will also, I think, will be a big boost to us, because we are hosting 16 countries to play, and that will be a big event for us. So there's a lot of cricket as far as international as well as domestic is concerned. And now that we have got some wonderful facilities like the GCA, the Global Cricket Academy, the Dubai Cricket Stadium, the Abu Dhabi Cricket Stadium, and now so we can manage all these international events also, and we are hoping to have many more such events to happen here, and not only for our Emirates team, but also for our domestic games.
And how about the local cricket for the upcoming 2011-12 series, like about Ramadan Cup? And
well, Dubai is hosting the interface at the GCA. I think Dubai International Cricket Stadium will be hosting a tournament there, and Al Daid will be hosting one tournament, and Al Daid plus Abu Dhabi will host. So there is tremendous amount of night cricket we have, and I suppose next season there are new plans, new regulations that will be adhered to for all the teams, and I think our standards are going to grow. Our skills are, I think, as good as anywhere in the world. We have got a fantastic support from our coaches, who are former cricketers, who have done so well to support our junior development programs. The under 15s, the under 17s, the under 19s, and the under 13s, they're all growing up well. And most of these boys, mind you, are all born here. And I think we are getting the best talent out of these boys. And I think hats off to all those coaches who are and the academies who are involved with us to promote our cricket. And I think UAE is lucky always that there is no dearth of talent in the senior team. Some retired, there are 8 following them, so that's a good sign for us. And hopefully, come next World Cup, we'll give it a shot and see if we can make it.
And just a small message about Ramadan. So, we will be running that Happy Ramadan or Ramadan Kareem, or, just to wish to all the entire.
I would like to wish all my cricket teams a very happy Ramadan and a Ramadan Kareem, and may all the teams enjoy cricket and have a wonderful evening after iftar, and may the best teams win, I would say, and let's hope we have a record-breaking Ramadan cricket season this year.
Thank you.